What's up? It's Susie from HeyGrillHey.com, and you might notice things look a little bit different around here, and that's because we have been teasing it forever because it took forever. We are finally in the brand new Hey Grill Hey studio, and we can't wait to show you how it all came together. Alex, cue the video montage. It has been truly a long road, not just to the studio, but to where we are today. I started developing recipes in my home kitchen nearly, oh my gosh, over a decade ago. And through the years, I've written hundreds of recipes for you to recreate in your backyards to make you the backyard barbecue hero that you have always deserved to be. Now with the new studio setup, that's gonna happen even more beautifully. You're also gonna see a little bit more behind the scenes. We wanna show you more of our life and our family so we can really get to know each other and build a stronger community, because one thing that I have learned about barbecue outside of recipe testing and developing is that the community is one of the best anywhere. We love the barbecue community because really it's like a barbecue family, and we want you to be a part of our barbecue family. So we hope you enjoyed a little behind the scenes of how the studio came together. We hope you hit that subscribe button if you're here for the first time. We can't wait to show you more amazing barbecue and grilling recipes and bring this barbecue lifestyle to your backyard.